Hi everyone, how are we doing? Honestly, I don't even know how to start and what to say. Thank you all to my 1 million YouTube family members. It still feels like a dream. You know what I got? Look at this, the gold play button. When the bell rang and I got this package, I was so nervous. I was so excited that actually I was shivering. I wanted to share the moment with every single one. I called up my kids. My kids didn't answer the phone. So I called up my in-laws, my sister-in-law, my brother, my brother-in-law, every family group that I could with 3 different phones. And we all opened it together on a video call. Since at home it was just me and my husband. And today I want to open this in front of you. Look at this. It's got a beautiful written letter, which I'm going to read out to you later. And yay! My gold play button. I want to say a big thank you to every single one. Every single one. I know I keep repeating this myself, but I hope you guys can understand. It's just how I feel. I really hope it's normal to be this emotional. Actually, when I started this journey, it was just me and my sari. I had no plans. I had no big plans. I had no idea where this would go or that sari draping could become something so big, so special. Every drape that I shared with you, every practiced, and literally I practiced again and again until I was sure about it, and until it was perfect. I never posted anything unless I felt confident about that drape. I am so grateful that you all loved every single style, every single pleat. Not just because for the technique, but because you could see my passion for saris. I mean, there were days when I doubted myself. I would just ask, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? What am I doing? Will this ever matter to anyone? इससे क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है किसी को? But every time I felt low, your beautiful comments lifted me up. Some of you told me, I remember some of you told me that you wore the sari for the first time seeing my videos. Some of you said you live so far away from your moms, and my videos helped you feel closer at home. Oh my God. The teachers, lawyers, doctors, and so many other professors, professional people have learned sari draping from my channel, and they've texted me saying that we've been wearing saris but we've polished. I still remember that one comment that came from a girl who said, "Ma'am, I have lost my mother, and when I watch your videos, it feels like my mom is teaching me." That message touched my heart so deeply. You know, these are the kind of things you all give me. You all give me energy. You all give me confidence to keep going every single day. To get up every day and to do better than yesterday. This gold play button, I wish I could send a piece of it to each and every one of you because it belongs to all of us. For every woman who felt she wasn't enough, I want you to know you are enough and you'll always be. I never thought I'd be a YouTuber. But you know what? This one person who's been after my life, and that's my youngest brother. I just have one brother and he's the youngest. My first video was actually for a brand, and I had no idea what this YouTube video was. And that video got so many views, and my brother was, "Didi, I can see the spark." And before I could understand, he started just saying, "You have to do something. Let's start your own channel." Every single day वो मेरे को phone करता, दीदी आज आपने क्या किया, आपने वीडियो प्लान किया क्या, वीडियो कहाँ पे हो रहा है, वीडियोग्राफर कौन सा है, आपकी साड़ी कौन सी है. ओ माई गॉड गाइज, एवरी टाइम जब मैं कंफ्यूज थी, he hadn't clarity. Every time when I was tired, he gave me energy. When I was stuck, he found solution. He was my guide, he is my anchor, and he will always be my rock. When I got this silver play button, I was excited. Obviously, I will be excited. But I didn't feel it then. But I didn't understand really how special it was, because when people would come home and they would see this silver button, they were like, oh my God, you have YouTube silver play button. And that's when I just felt that yes, this has a lot of value. And I started working hard to get one gold play button. Now when I have this in my hand, I want to say, I love you, my brother. I love you, bhai. And this is for you, this is for me, and this is for all of us. All of you who believed in me. And above all, this is for the amazing community that turned one woman into a celebration of dignity and womanhood. I am so grateful. I am so humbled and so overwhelmed. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you. This is our golden moments together. And I will always, wait, let me open this. And I will always cherish this forever together.